Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Hootsuite for social SEO content workflows, complete guide step by step clearly. Visit the Hootsuite website. On the homepage, locate the Get Started button. Click on the button to proceed. You'll be directed to the pricing page. Review the different subscription plans available. Select the plan that best fits your social SEO content workflow needs. Click on the Choose Plan button for your selected option. You will be prompted to create an account. Fill in your email address and create a secure password. Click on the Continue button to move forward. If you already have an account, select the Login option. After creating an account, enter the necessary billing information. Review your order details to ensure everything is accurate. Accept the terms and conditions by checking the box. Click on the Complete Purchase button to finalize your subscription. You will receive a confirmation email shortly after. Log into your Hootsuite account using your email and password. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the features. Navigate to the Publishing section to start planning your content. Connect your social media accounts using the provided options. Create a new post by clicking the Create Post button. Add your content, including text, images, and links for SEO optimization. Schedule your post for optimal engagement. Monitor your social media performance using the analytics tools. Adjust your strategy based on the insights gathered from Hootsuite. Continue to refine your workflows for improved efficiency. Explore additional features, such as team collaboration and content curation. Utilize Hootsuite's resources for best practices and tips on social SEO. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.